Hello everybody, I'm Kristi. Today I have a super simple DIY that only requires two main components from the Dollar Tree. Everything else you probably already have laying around your house. So I'm going to be showing you two separate ways that I worked with these little frames. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you went ahead and done so. I will leave links to more DIYs down below in the description box. Make sure you check those out. Today, I'm going to be using one of the Dream signs. If you remember, they had these in Dream, Relax, and Wine O'Clock. I am currently, I think, near 13 stores, and several of them still have these in stock. I'm also going to be using some of the new metal words that just came out. These may have not made it to all of your stores yet, but they will soon. This is the 3 count. They say thankful, harvest, and welcome. Now, remember guys, we also have the Main Street wall creations that are out right now. They are the little mirrored decorations that you can peel and stick on the walls. There are several of these to choose from. If for some reason you cannot find any of these signs or you did not already purchase some, I personally purchased several and went ahead and stocked up on them because I knew they would be great for DIYs in the future. You could probably use a picture frame if you want because there are several in. I know that my store currently even has them in, I think, in 11 by 14s. So there are tons of different picture frames that you can use at Dollar Tree right now. We are going to be using a razor blade, so make sure that you're extremely careful. I know you already know this. But if you turn this over to the opposite side, you will be able to scratch off these words. They are just painted on, and we want to get rid of these so that we can put the metal word on this. I wanted to show you the process of scraping off the letters. They came off really easy, left no residue once I wiped this down with a wet cloth. This is glass, so you don't have to worry about scratching the surface. I had no issues with that whatsoever. If you have a machine like a circuit where you could cut vinyls, these little frames would be perfect for those. I just wanted to show you how simple this process was. It did not scrape off easily, say with your fingernail, but with the razor blade, it came right off. And here's what it looks like once you get all that scraped off. It came off really easy. It took probably about 2 minutes to get it all scraped off really nice and neat. So once you get this scraped off, you're going to want to clean it probably with a glass window cleaner to get it ready and prepped for your next step. Once I've got it cleaned and dried off, I'm going to attach my metal words. But it would look absolutely amazing if you wanted to color or paint your frame a darker color, then take a sandpaper and distress it. It would look extremely farmhouse. You could paint this any color you want. This is going to go on a gray wall in my house, so I think I'm going to go ahead and leave it white. On this frame, I'm going to be attaching one of the metal words to the glass. Again, you have 3 metal words to choose from. We have harvest, which would be great for fall. We also have thankful, good 12 months out of the year, and also welcome, which is also great all year long. Now I just need to choose which one of the words I need to put on. I think today I'm going to use the thankful metal word, and I'm going to put it in the middle of the little picture frame that said dream. You can tell that the words are already distressed metal. You can use whatever you like to secure it on. I'm just going to tack it with a little glue on the bottom side and then just let it dry. There are several different glues that you can use for this. I just used the super glue found in the hardware section at Dollar Tree. And here's what the picture looks like once it's finished and hanging on my dining room wall. In this next wall decor decoration I will be making, I will be using the Main Street Wall Creations. At my store, these currently come in 6 different designs. They are peel and stick, and they have a mirrored reflection. And you can put whatever pattern that you want on here in any way you'd like. These are so cute. Those just peel and stick on here, no glue or anything required. Remember though, on the mirrored part there is a plastic covering that you need to peel right off. If you run your fingernail across it, it just gathers and you'll be able to peel it right off. And here it is finished and hanging on Briley's bedroom wall. Thank you so much for watching. If you try one of my DIYs or this one, please comment below and tell me what you used or which one you done. I will see you guys next time in a Dollar Tree haul or a DIY. Make sure you check out more of my videos. I will have some linked in the description box below or at the end of the video. I hope everyone has an amazing week, and I will see you next time. Bye.